Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 855. The number 855 is made up of the qualities of the number 8 and the vibrations of the number 5 twice, which makes its effects stronger. Number 8 is about self-confidence, personal power and authority, giving and receiving, truth and integrity, reality, dependability, and self-reliance, and attracting positive abundance. Number 8 is also related to the idea of karma and the universal spiritual law of karma. Number 5 is about good new opportunities, making good choices and decisions, making big changes in your life, getting chances, learning from your mistakes, being active, adaptable, and versatile, being resourceful, being your own person and having personal freedom, having fun and going on adventures. Angel number 855 tells you to pay attention to the coincidences and synchronicities that are happening in your life right now. They are there to guide and help you, as well as to bring you opportunities that will help you move forward on your path. Synchronicity shows that there is a hidden force or order in the universe because it connects your inner and outer worlds. Some things happen because they are meant to. Angel number 855 means that your ability to make money, your career, and the financial parts of your life are all going to change for the better. Trust that these changes will lead to great outcomes and results that will make sure your life will always be full of good things. Your life is about to change in a big way, which is what angel number 855 means. Even though the changes that are coming may seem scary to you right now, you will look back and see that they were actually good things. Angel number 855 is a message from your angels that you are loved and cared for by the universe. It is also a reminder to keep your faith and trust in the universe as you go through these necessary changes. Some limits and restrictions may need to be taken away in order for promotion or advancement of some kind to be possible. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.